Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you and show you several ways how you can update your Google Chrome web browser to its newest version in 2025 and beyond. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do, guys, is launch Google Chrome, for example, on your Windows 10, Windows 11 desktop computer. And what you want to do next, guys, that is option number one, is access your Chrome web browser settings. To do that, click into these three dots in the top right and select settings here. And inside your browser settings, head over to About Chrome at the bottom of that panel here to the left. After that, Chrome will automatically check which version you're currently using of Chrome. And if the version you're currently using is up to date, you will see a notification like this. If that's not the case, Chrome will notify you and give you access to a download button here to the right to update and to install the newest version of Chrome. So that's one way how you can do this, guys. The second option would be to simply head over to the homepage of Google Chrome. So simply access it via Google search, type in Chrome and pick the first search entry here. And after that, here on the homepage, guys, you may, for example, let me just click into pause here. What you want to do is either download Chrome from or using that button here if you're using Chrome for the first time and download it, for example, for Windows 10 or 11. Or if you'd like to update your currently used version of Chrome, click into this button here. I want to update Chrome. And after that, follow these instructions and basically use the same method I just showed you. Or alternatively, guys, simply click into download Chrome here to download Chrome and to install it on your device for the first time. And you will automatically, of course, install the most recently released and newest version for obvious reasons. So that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.